campfire. Getting ready to do some campfire talk.
Campfire talk.
Campfire talk. Every seat around this fire is very hot.
Yep.
We threw every bit of our firewood in all at once. But back to Stephanie. Stephanie,
Still here.
what do you love about this place?
Oh, I love the serenity of the place. Everything surrounded by trees, shaded. The temperature is just amazing.
Awesome. Okay. All right. We'll move on to Andy. Serenity. No, I like your answer. It's fine.
I like that we are in the woods, but we're in a convenient location. Not far from a grocery store, not far from other little touristy attractions. Convenient location.
Anything to add, Stephanie?
Walmart.
Yeah, there we go.
That's what I meant.
That's what I was looking for. Daniel,
Walmart in the woods.
what you got, man?
In the woods, yes.
Mosquitoes, they bite.
Oh, we haven't started on that stuff. We haven't started on the bad stuff.
Positive, stay
Good.
on.
Positive. Stay positive. Stay positive.
Fish don't bite.
All right. Shower
Mosquitoes
house.
bite.
What's your thoughts on the shower house?
Shower house was clean.
They're clean.
Thank you, cleaning lady.
Thank you. All right. And where were we, Andy? Where are we at again? Anybody? I don't
We're
care.
at Twin Mills RV Resort in Howe, Indiana.
Howe, Indiana. Perfect. Daniel, what do you think about the bike riding here?
Got a lot of riding so far.
A lot of riding. Yeah.
Around and look at the different camps. Pretty good.
How was
Kind
fishing?
of flat.
Kind of flat. Kind of
So it
flat.
makes it easy riding, especially if you're just getting back into biking.
There you go. How's the fishing been?
Terrible.
Terrible.
No bites.
No bites. So on that note, let's go ahead and just dive into the good stuff. So what is our favorite thing about Twin Mills RV? Is it Twin Mills?
We just did.
Favorite thing? Favorite thing? The mosquitoes. They're horrible. So actually this is about the things that we could use some improvement. A fog machine to kill all the mosquitoes. I'm just saying. How many bug bites do you have, Daniel?
Zero.
The Blair Witch Project.
I don't believe you. Andy, how many bug bites do you have?
30.
I don't believe you. All right. I have like 50.
See how many bug bites
I have
you
like
got?
50. Jake, my son, has like over 100.
It's because
Rebecca has one on her forehead, so she looks like a
Jake's
unicorn.
taking them all on purpose.
Jake's been the champ, huh? He's the champion, right?
He really has.
He's been feeding the.
He's been feeding.
All right, we've tried dry.
Yes. What have we tried?
We've tried the
Good.
dry
Sheets.
smooth off,
Deep woods.
hands
off.
killed, deep woods off.
Dryer sheets.
Look, see
Dry
right there,
sheets.
right there. See him? See him?
Citronella candles.
Yes.
And your flamethrowers.
Flamethrowers.
Citronella oil.
Citronella oil.
Citronella oil.
Keep the fire going.
And the fire.
And the fire.
None of them work.
All right. None of them
For
work.
some reason, they love the Johnsons, and Tenbarge is pretty good.
It's because we're so sweet.
Yeah.
We just smell better.
They aren't. Neither is
I
he.
will say I've had 3 ticks on me though.
Ooh.
3 ticks.
All right. I'm glad we've dove into the ticks.
We divot right in.
Divot right in.
Yep, 3 ticks.
Divot.
One.
Divot.
1 tick.
Josh has had none.
No ticks.
0 ticks.
No ticks. No ticks.
Any
0
more
ticks.
on me?
You see that? That's right. 0 ticks.
But 30 no ticks.
At least 30 mosquito bites. Because we're so sweet. All right. Anything else anybody would like to add to this?
We did go kayaking on the Twin Lakes.
Yes.
Oh, the kayak.
Yes.
Good.
The kayaks. Well, so thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Yep.
Thumbs up.
Yep, it was a good time.
One. If you had to score like the service, how was the service?
Service was great. We loaded them ourselves.
Okay.
Self-serve.
Self-serve.
Kayaks.
Hey, our service to get in was pretty good.
Oh,
Yes.
The guy broke the gate down for us.
We'll call him
Better
Muscle.
than that.
Muscle broke the gate down.
Muscle. He tore down the gate for us. My wife was so impressed. She thought we were breaking in and entering.
True story.
Yes.
You were good till morning.
I was good.
Good till morning. As you can tell, the dogs are wore out, which that's always good. They are ready to go to bed. And we're about there ourselves. So good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.